Welcome back to the channel. This guide is for the business and team builders. How to build a high-performing team using the CIA's proven personality model. This concept is not just a theoretical model but is backed by practical research. Studies by Belbin, 1981, and Ben and Sheets, 1948, on team roles underscore the significance of a diverse team for successful outcomes. If you haven't heard of this model before or haven't looked into personality types, I would highly recommend looking up the Myers-Briggs personality test as well. I will do a separate breakdown on that too. The CIA's proven personality model, often referred to as the bear, cheetah, lion, and fox model, is a framework used to categorize individuals based on their behavioral traits and tendencies. This model takes those four animals and focuses on their temperaments. Here's a summary of each animal archetype and its corresponding personality characteristics. Bear. The bear represents a person with a steady and dependable personality. Bears are known for their patience, resilience, and a preference for stability and routine. They are often calm, methodical, and approach tasks in a systematic manner. Bears tend to be reliable team players who excel in roles that require consistency and reliability. Cheetah. The cheetah archetype is associated with individuals who possess high levels of energy, ambition, and a strong competitive drive. Cheetahs are typically quick thinkers and decisive in their actions. They thrive in dynamic environments that offer challenges and opportunities for advancement. Cheetahs are often goal-oriented, assertive, and excel in leadership positions. Lion. The lion represents individuals with dominant and charismatic personalities. Lions are natural leaders who exude confidence and command respect from others. They possess strong communication and interpersonal skills, making them effective influencers and motivators. Lions are often driven by a desire for power and achievement and are drawn to roles that allow them to lead and make strategic decisions. Fox. The fox archetype is characterized by individuals who are adaptable, resourceful, and possess a keen sense of observation. Foxes are known for their ability to navigate complex situations and find creative solutions to problems. They excel in roles that require diplomacy, negotiation, and strategic thinking. Foxes are often skilled communicators and have a knack for building relationships and alliances. And what if you have or find someone who has all four temperaments? Well, that is a unicorn. This model can inform your recruitment, interviews, and team development processes, ensuring you have the right people in the right places. Here is how you can build a high-performing team with each of these team members. Lions. The obvious role for a lion is a team lead or manager. Lions are the leaders, symbolizing courage and power. They take the helm, inspire others, and take responsibility for the team's actions. They help organizations by providing clear direction and maintaining high standards of performance. Known for their meticulous organization and process management, lions play a crucial role in driving operational efficiency. They also excel in driving the framework not only for your team but across the organization as a center of excellence. They can help standardize your monitoring and observability strategy as well, defining and creating documentation standards and best practices. Foxes. Foxes would be great at automation efforts. The lines are blurred across organizations, but if you are responsible for platform, they would be great focusing on accelerating and abstracting as much as they can from the development team to increase velocity and efficiency. They are great at automating tasks for the SRE team and to the wider organization. They can come up with ideas for internal and external tooling to help everyone be more strategic and less reactive. Foxes serve as the brainpower behind complex problem-solving in a team. They excel in devising ingenious plans and adapting to multifaceted scenarios. Foxes embody the spirit of innovation and creativity. Renowned for their ideation skills, they're the driving force behind novel solutions and untapped opportunities. Cheetahs. Cheetahs love a challenge. They would love to work on the tough challenges and they will be there quick. Whether it is a cloud migration, a P1 incident, or a problem that has been going on for weeks that no one can figure out, this energizes them. They were made for business. They are firefighters when needed. They are ready to pounce on any challenge that requires their expertise and energy. Put these guys on the front line. They are your SWAT team. Cheetahs are the accelerators of the team. They excel in environments where urgency is required, quickly adapting to changing scenarios and tenaciously pursuing objectives. Cheetahs infuse energy and dynamism into a team. These individuals are wired for action, quick to pinpoint opportunities, unafraid to take calculated risks, and ready to seize moments. Bears. The person for the job? One of your bears. They will work closely with any team, understanding their needs and staying on top of all upcoming deadlines. Bears are masters of relationship building in a team environment. They stand out for understanding customer needs, building rapport, and fostering lasting partnerships. Bears excel in establishing connections and nurturing relationships. They have a natural knack for understanding customer needs and translating those needs into strategies. The perfect high-performing team. Think of your high-performance team as a 4-block team. A mini matrix. Each of those 4 blocks represent one animal. You need each of them. You can have a good team, but if you want a high-performing team, you need all 4. As you think about those 4 types of temperaments, it will naturally surface which one you are missing. Find the missing block and source for that to complete the team. Here is a handy tip when finding out who these people are. When interviewing, keep these animals in mind. The best way to figure out which animal someone is privately is to disarm them with a question like, "How would you plan your perfect vacation?" Answers will vary, but you will see and hear how they respond. Lion will create a list covering every variable. Cheetah will just jump on plane and head to Maui. Foxes will have a lot of ideas where they want to go. Bears will go anywhere their best friend takes them. The key takeaway from the CIA's Animal Kingdom model is the realization that high-performing teams are not homogeneous. Instead, they comprise diverse roles that add unique value to the organization. As a leader, understanding this model enables you to effectively build your team, fostering a balance of speed, stability, strategy, and leadership. Of course, it's important to note that while this model may provide a general framework for understanding personality types, it is not an exact science and should be used as a tool for observation and analysis rather than a definitive categorization. Thanks for watching. Let us know your thoughts on how you would use this model to build a high-performing team. If you found value in this guide, please like and subscribe for more guides and let us know in the comments what you want to see next.